Hey guys, $10 for anyone who can tell me a more Rabak condo than this.
Sol Acres RABAK. Okay, maybe in terms of location, a little bit Rabak because there's no main MRT station there. The nearest LRT would be the Keat Hong LRT station. But in terms of profits for Sol Acres, definitely not Rabak. So we see the profits in Sol Acres, right? The highest profit made was at $932,000 and the unit was sold just this year March. And as a whole, there is total 422 profitable transactions and 0 unprofitable transactions. So I think Sol Acres is a good example of a development that is not near MRT stations. At the same time, in terms of amenities, is a little bit out of the way and still make quite a decent amount of profits. And there's a few reasons for this. So firstly, it's because of its location. But in terms of opportunity, there's lots of opportunity there because there's a lot of HDB upgraders due to the BTOs in the surroundings. And you can see from the buyer profile by purchaser address, 78.9% is HDB. Even for the last 6 months, most of the buyer profiles are actually HDBs. So point number 2 will be the development size. Yes, it might get crowded at times with 1,327 units. But because there is so many units there, there is a healthy number of transactions, and how valuers value your place would based on the past transaction. This in turn will give you a good valuation for your unit. And point 3, because of the large number of units inside there, your maintenance is usually lower compared to those developments that has lesser units. And because of this lower maintenance is a plus point for future buyers. So point number 4 is affordability, as the first owner bought it at a lower PSF because it's an executive condominium. So just basing on the graph, so the yellow line is the average PSF for the whole of Singapore. The blue line is the average PSF for Sol Acres itself. So in 2024, there's a gap of 32%. And just focusing on District 23, Sol Acres itself has a gap of 22%. And this means that you will incline buyers to actually look at Sol Acres because of its affordability. Point number 5 would be its demand for the location itself. So in District 23, there is strong demand in regardless of 1 to 5 bedder, especially for 2 to 4 bedder is in very high demand. So congrats to those homeowners that actually bought Sol Acres, and you're wondering if EC might be a suitable investment for you, do drop us a PM and I'll be happy to share you more. There's a new EC that's coming up at Tengah which is called Novo Place. Do follow us and we will share more in our next video. See you soon.